Ireland is known as the Emerald Isle due to its lush green countryside. The Irish flag consists of 3 vertical bands of green, white, and orange, representing the Catholic, Protestant, and peace between them. The official languages of Ireland are Irish, Gaelic, and English, though English is the most widely spoken. Ireland has no snakes. The legend states that St. Patrick banished them from the island. The Cliffs of Moher, one of Ireland's most famous landmarks, rise 702 feet above the Atlantic Ocean. The River Shannon is the longest river in Ireland, stretching 240 kilometers, 150 miles. Ireland is home to the world's oldest lighthouse, the Hook Lighthouse, which has been in operation since the 12th century. The country has over 30,000 castles and ruins scattered throughout its landscape. Dublin, the capital city, is also famous for its vibrant pub culture and is home to the Guinness Storehouse. The traditional Irish music style has its roots in folk music, often featuring instruments like the fiddle, bodhrán, and tin whistle. Irish people celebrate St. Patrick's Day on March 17th, honoring the patron saint who brought Christianity to Ireland. The Líbhar na Éadra, or the Book of the Dun Cow, is one of Ireland's oldest manuscripts and dates back to the 11th century. The ancient site of Newgrange is older than Stonehenge and the Great Pyramids, dating back more than 5,000 years. The Irish are known for their storytelling, and the country has a rich tradition of myths and legends, including tales of leprechauns and fairies. Hurling, one of the fastest field sports in the world, originated in Ireland and is played with a wooden stick called a hurley. Ireland is home to the famous Giant's Causeway, a natural wonder with about 40,000 interlocking basalt columns. The national symbol of Ireland is the harp, and it appears on the country's coins and official documents. Irish coffee, made with coffee, sugar, whiskey, and topped with cream, was invented in the 1940s. The Dingle Peninsula is known for its stunning scenery and is a popular filming location, including for movies like Star Wars. The Irish have a deep love for the arts, producing famous writers like James Joyce, W.B. Yeats, and Samuel Beckett. The Celtic Tiger was a period of rapid economic growth in Ireland during the late 1990s and early 2000s. The national dish of Ireland is often considered to be Irish stew, made with lamb or beef, potatoes, and vegetables. Ireland has a rich tradition of dance, with styles such as Irish step dancing gaining international fame through performances like Riverdance. The country has a population of about 5 million people, making it one of the least populated countries in the European Union. The Titanic was built in Belfast, Northern Ireland, at the Harland and Wolff shipyard. There are approximately 1,500 pubs in Dublin alone, making it one of the best cities for experiencing Irish hospitality. The Blarney Stone, located at Blarney Castle, is said to give those who kiss it the gift of eloquence and persuasive speech. The annual Rose of Tralee Festival celebrates Irish women living both in Ireland and around the world. The Irish are known to be some of the friendliest people, often welcoming strangers with open arms. The country has a significant association with the color green, symbolizing peace, prosperity, and the Irish landscape. The annual Fled Cheoil is a traditional music festival that celebrates Irish culture with competitions and performances. County Kerry is famous for its picturesque landscapes and is home to the Ring of Kerry Scenic Drive. The Irish language has been officially recognized since the foundation of the Irish Free State in 1922. Ireland has produced several Nobel Prize winners in literature, including George Bernard Shaw and Seamus Heaney. The national flower of Ireland is the shamrock, which is said to symbolize the Holy Trinity. Cork is the second largest city in Ireland and is known for its vibrant food scene and welcoming atmosphere. Irish folklore is filled with tales of mythical beings like the Banshee, a spirit who heralds death. Ireland has a temperate maritime climate, which means mild winters and cool summers, with rainfall spread throughout the year. The world's first recorded marathon was held in Dublin in 1907. Many Irish people have ancient Celtic ancestry, as the Celts first arrived in Ireland around 600 BC. The Rock of Cashel is a historic site and former seat of the Kings of Munster, boasting stunning medieval architecture. Ireland was the first country in the world to legalize same-sex marriage by popular vote in 2015. The Wild Atlantic Way is one of the longest coastal routes in the world, stretching for over 1,500 miles along the west coast of Ireland. The cozy cottage-style homes, known as thatched cottages, are a traditional characteristic of the Irish countryside. The culture of storytelling in Ireland is so rich that it was even recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage.